Okay, so on creating FTP accounts on the cPanel, you have to look at the file and then click on FTP accounts, and then we have to add an FTP account. Let's use the word demo. Use the password generator because it generates strong passwords, and then be sure to copy paste this password somewhere because we're going to use it on FileZilla, and then create that and then we have an FTP account. So it's demo. If you want to get the information you're going to use on FileZilla, you have to click on configure FTP accounts and then copy paste that information just in case you accidentally close that window. So after copy pasting that information, we go to FileZilla, and then the host name is the FTP server. That is the host. That is the one that starts with FTP is the host. So we copy paste that one there. Sorry, on the FileZilla. Yes, and then the username is pretty direct, FTP username. The one that you created is ours is demo. Yes, so we copy paste on the username, and then the password is the one that we pasted, so we're going to copy paste there. And then the port is always 21 on my side. I don't know if it's the same thing for you. And then we quick connect, right? So you're going to get this dialog that is talking about credentials, certificates, and all this, and all that. So you create one or two, click one or two, and then click on always trust this certificate in future sessions because you're going to use it every day. So it says that connection established, so we're going to wait until our files appear. Right, I don't know why it's taking longer, but I think there's a glitch somewhere. Yeah, so it's timed out. Oh, okay, it's connecting itself. So yeah, we are getting FTP quota instead of WordPress files that we wanted to access so that we can upload our theme. So if you're getting this FTP quota, there's one mistake you made. When you are creating this FTP account, you didn't pay attention to the directory. And this is very important because WordPress files and FTP accounts operate on, the directory. What files are you trying to reach? Are they editable? Can you edit them? Do they have permissions for editing? So upon creating an FTP account, there's one that usually generates itself when you're doing it. So next time we're going to pay attention. What you have to do right now is delete this account because it's not going to help us. So we are going to delete this account, right? So delete account because it's not helping us. Yes, don't be afraid to click on that. Right, so let's try this again. So we're going to create a demo password generator. Copy that password down as always. I prefer to have Word already open so that I can paste it there, and then use it. Right, so on this directory we are going to create you're going to write public dash HTML because that is the directory that has our files. So next time really pay attention to that. So as you can see, our there's public HTML written there. Configure FTP account to get the information as always, the one that we're going to use on the FileZilla. Yes, so let's try this again. Delete the information that we previously filled, right? So the host name is that one as usual, and then the password, we're going to copy paste that or password there, and then the port is 21 as usual, and then quick connect. Yeah, so you see our files appeared there very, very quickly without no waste of time. So that is usually the only problem there. When you Google or when you you look for solutions about solving this issue, you get so many, answers that are not straightforward, or perhaps you cannot edit or do follow closely. So FTP account, that is so public HTML is the one that is giving us all these files, the WordPress themes and the plugins. If you want to upload a plugin or you see, there's 2019, 2017. These are the default WordPress themes that you come with when you install the WordPress. So that is pretty much everything that you need to know.